everyone, welcome to our channel, Pimo Canada Immigration. I'm Zhang Hui, an RCSA and Chinese English translator. Last time, we explained the family class. Today, we will introduce the refugee class. If you recall, the three main permanent residence classes are the economic class, the family class, and the refugee class. Each class carries its specific objectives, and the first and foremost objective of the refugee class is to save lives and offer protection to persecuted and displaced people. Only convention refugees and people in similar circumstances are eligible to apply to this class. If they are outside Canada, they are either convention refugees or asylum seekers. If they are in Canada, they are either convention refugees or persons in need of protection. Convention refugees are people who have a well-founded fear of persecution because of their race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. They must be outside each of their countries of nationality and is unable, because of their fear, unwilling to avail themselves of the protection of each of those countries. Or is outside the country of their former habitual residence and is unable, or because of their fear, unwilling to return to that country if they are stateless. Asylum seekers are foreign nationals who are outside of their countries of nationality and habitual residence, and have been and continue to be seriously and personally affected by civil war, armed conflict, or massive violation of human rights in each of those countries. Persons in need of protection are people in Canada whose removal to their country or countries of nationality, or if they are stateless, their country of former habitual residence, would likely subject them personally to a danger of torture within the meaning of Article 1 of the Convention Against Torture, or to a risk to their life or a risk of cruel and unusual treatment or punishment. To assess whether a person facing the above-mentioned danger or risk is a person in need of protection, the following conditions must be met. They are unable, or because of that risk, unwilling to avail themselves of the protection of that country. The risk would be faced by them in every part of that country and is not faced generally by other individuals in or from that country. The risk is not inherent or incidental to lawful sanctions unless imposed in disregard of accepted international standards. And the risk is not caused by the inability of that country to provide adequate health or medical care. Refugee claimants are foreign nationals who claim they are either a convention refugee or a person in need of protection when they arrive in Canada or physically in Canada. If they do not possess required immigration documents, they do not have legal status before their claim has been approved by the Government of Canada. They are allowed to apply for a work permit to work, a study permit to study. However, the issuance of these permits does not confer any legal status to them. Protected persons are foreign nationals who have been conferred refugee protection by Canada. If they are convention refugees or asylum seekers outside Canada, they become a protected person once they are admitted to Canada on a permanent resident visa issued under the refugee class. If they are in Canada, they get this status either when their refugee claim is accepted by the Immigration and Refugee Board, IRB, or their pre-removal risk assessment application, PROA, is approved by the Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC. To apply for refugee protection outside Canada, a foreign national must either be referred by a referral organization, i.e., United Nations Refugee Agency, or be sponsored by Canadian private sponsors. Foreign nationals in Canada or at the port of entry, POE, claim refugee protection will undergo a couple of steps. If they file their claim at a POE, a Canadian Border Services Agency officer will determine their eligibility. If they claim refugee protection at an inland office, an IRCC officer will make the determination. If they are eligible to claim refugee protection, their claim will be referred to the Refugee Protection Division, RPD, of the IRB for hearing. And the RPD will decide whether to accept or reject their claim. Unsuccessful refugee claimants may apply for parole if they are eligible. They get refugee protection from Canada if their claim is accepted by the IRB or their parole is positive. Bear in mind, some situations can cause a person to not be accepted as a commercial refugee or person in need of protection. Some may not get refugee protection even if their parole is positive. After the conferral of refugee protection by Canada, the refugee protection can be cancelled or withdrawn on prescribed legal grounds. The refugee class probably is the most complex class among the three main permanent residence classes, as it is heavily imbued with intricate legal terms. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Next time, we'll deliver a session about 3 express entry programs in Mandarin. We wish you a wonderful Canadian immigration journey and welcome you to reach out to us. See you on August 3rd.